Alright guys, today on Let Him Cook, we're going to make one of the best chicken pot pie recipes that you've probably ever had. You can make it with the ingredients you probably have in your kitchen right now. It's really simple to do, so let's get started. We're going to go into the ingredients first. We have butter, an onion, garlic, flour, mushroom, chicken stock, an onion and garlic powder mix, an oregano, basil, and rosemary mix, a carrot and peas, I just use a frozen, chicken, cream, and oil. Now I also like to use just a frozen puff pastry. You can get that from any grocery store. Alright, so let's go into the beginning here. We'll have chicken. We're going to season it first, salt, pepper, the onion and garlic mix, the basil, oregano, and rosemary, and that's pretty much it, guys. And we'll take that chicken and bring it over to a hot skillet. Now I usually just put olive oil in that skillet, and I let this chicken cook for about 3 minutes, 4 minutes on each side until it's nice and cooked. It gives it a great flavor. Now we'll just take it right out of the pan, and we'll move over to just chopping it up in cubes. And after we get done with that, we'll just set it aside to get ready for our prep. Now we're just going to go and start off cutting our onion and garlic. So we'll go with our onion first. And with the magic of camera editing, bam, just like that. And we'll do the same with the garlic. Just like that. There you go. Alright, then we'll have our mushrooms chopped up. I first start off by chopping them in slices, just like that, and then I'll go and cube them up. Then we'll start off with oil and put our onion in, give it a quick stir. I'll add my garlic thereafter so it doesn't burn while the onion's cooking. And then I add just a little bit of the seasoning at that point. Throw my mushrooms in, a little bit more seasoning on top of the mushrooms, and then just start to release the water. Now after that's cooked, then I add my butter. Now I end up using that whole stick, guys. This is not necessarily a healthy meal, but it is a good meal. Now to create the roux, real simple, 4 tablespoons of the flour. Give it a good stir in that butter. Add our chicken stock a little at a time to let it thicken up. And just give it a good stir. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and taste it. And if you need extra salt or pepper, by all means. Alright, at this point, we'll just add our cream and give that a good stir. And that'll give that real rich, kind of lighter look to it. And I bring the chicken back in and give it a good stir and let it cook for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes with the chicken. Then come back in with the frozen vegetables. Alright, so once that filling's done, we'll go and prep our dough. This is real simple, guys. It looks complicated, but it's not. I circle out a quick cut, a little bit bigger than what I'm going to be using for the pot pie. You can use any one of these ramen kits. You can buy them at any grocery store. They're actually great for different dishes. So I add my filling, I take that, and if you notice, I'm going to squeeze and turn all the way around to seal it up. That's pretty much it. And I'm going to do that for all 4. And we just give it a good egg wash. And this gives it that really nice golden flavor on top. There you go. Then we're going to pop it in the oven for about 25 minutes at 400. And there it is, guys. Real simple. Anybody here can do it. This is the best pot pie recipe. My family loves it. My friends love it when I make it. All right. Enjoy, guys. I hope you like this.